guys, welcome to this video. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I got a parcel from my YouTube partner Rainwasser. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Yeah, let's open it. I really don't know what is in it, so let's check out this parcel. This is... I don't know how I should open this. Maybe I start... I'm so nervous. It's kind of some... Oh, yes. It's kind of a big surprise for me, and yeah. Let's see. I think you open it, maybe. I don't know. Actually, don't know.
Day 2. Day 3.
Outpad. Scissors.
Day 4.
It's open, it's open, it's open. Oh. Okay, guys. She's perfect, I think. It's my first doll of Winx, and yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you. Let's see. And this doll with this awesome chair. Wow. I never expected I can get this doll. Wow. With shoes and yeah. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, that's all, guys. But that's so awesome. Woo! A little parcel of dolls. And I must say, this will be yeah, the new unboxing, and this will be the second unboxing then. Yeah. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love these shoes. Look at this. Can you see them? Here. They just look like little diamonds. Ooh. Can't wait to see the Winx dolls. Wow. But I love the Winx doll of Musa, so awesome. Yeah. First one. Second one. So that's it, guys. Yeah, you will see the next video soon, and so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and the other unboxings follow soon. Bye bye.